If you want to fix Wi-Fi issues on your Motorola Edge 70, here's what you can do. So the first thing that we can do in order to solve issues with Wi-Fi is that we can go to settings and open network and internet. Although it might be obvious, you want to check if the airplane mode is not enabled, because sometimes we can turn it on by accident and we might not even be aware of that. Next, we're gonna go to the Wi-Fi option, and then here in the upper right corner we have this reset option that we can use in order to quickly reset our internet. So we will reset the Wi-Fi quite quickly and reconnect to the strongest connection. Now we can also go into the settings of the network, and over here we should be able to find, for example, the auto connect option, which if you, for example, are getting disconnected quite frequently from the device, from the network, sorry, then of course you want to make sure that auto connect is enabled. Besides that, what we can also do if you scroll down over here, you can go to, let's say, saved networks, in case you need to find the saved network, and for example if you want to update the password or something, then of course you can select the network over here, tap on this pen in the upper right corner, you can change the password in here, or if you want to, for example, disable the auto connect option for other Wi-Fi networks so that the main one will not be replaced quite easily. Besides that, we have network preferences, where we have, for example, turn on Wi-Fi automatically, which allows the phone to turn on Wi-Fi back on near high quality saved networks like your home network, which itself doesn't sound too bad and it shouldn't cause any issues, but for example, if you have this option enabled, then you might want to consider disabling it. And that is pretty much all we can do. Of course, we can also forget the network and try to connect again in case you cannot connect to it for some reason. And if none of this helps, what you can also do is you can check if the Wi-Fi is working on other devices. So if you have any other device that uses the same Wi-Fi network, you might want to check if the Wi-Fi is working just fine. If it is, then of course we can still proceed. I'm gonna show you one more thing that we can do. But if you have issue with the Wi-Fi on that other device as well, then of course that just means that you have issue with the Wi-Fi itself rather than with Wi-Fi on your phone. So let's pretend that we still have the issue with the Wi-Fi and it's just the issue on the phone. The last thing that you can do is you can go back to settings and choose system, and then over here we can go to reset options, and you should be able to find reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. And in this case, of course, we want to reset these settings. However, keep in mind that we cannot really separate these two things. So if you reset Wi-Fi, you will also reset Bluetooth, which means that you have to reconnect to your Wi-Fi networks and your Bluetooth devices. So once you reset these settings, just go back to Wi-Fi settings and connect, or try to connect at least, to your Wi-Fi network. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.